In this video, I will show you how to create a group on Truth Social. Now on Truth Social, you need to go to groups, and under my groups, you can start creating your group. And as you can see, you need first to select the group privacy, public or private, which cannot be changed after creating the group. And after that, you can go on to enter the group name and description, and also some topics. Then upload the group profile picture and a cover image. And on this next screen, you can read this info about what you can do with your Truth Social group. And you can first share your group to gain some members. And after creating your group, you can first explore all these sections where you can pin or hide topics and also assign your members the admin role or even ban them. And down here, you can post your first truth. And above here, you can still share your group and also turn on notifications. And if you go back to groups, you should be able to see your group under my groups. And if you go to manage group, you can go on to edit your group details and also see members that you've banned from your group. You can also delete your group on this section where you need first to confirm that you really want to delete your group. Then go on to delete your group permanently. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Truth Social and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.